I've read all of the books and the romance, hoping to find you someday. Now someday is right now, and I've seen the guy and the girl in the movies, but never thought I'd be the one to run a you in that mood. So what's all for bed? Once upon a time, 'cause that's what loving you is like. Like when Jack told Rose that she's the one, like when Cinderella fell for that prince at the ball, like when Johnny asked baby for one more dance. But they ain't met us, they ain't met us yet. Those eyes remind me of all the long nights, praying to God that you'd call. And I'm so glad you'd hear. It's done here now. I finally know, I know just how Romeo felt when she smiled, but they don't know your kiss. It's a words over bed. Once upon a time, is that what loving you is like? Like when Jack told Rose that she's the one, like when Cinderella fell for that prince at the ball, like when Johnny asked baby for one more dance. Noah asked Ellie to take his hand, like when we saw Belle the very first time, girl, we're next on the line. Through it all, you were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best that wasn't me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith, as you believe. I'm everything I am because of you. My strength.
Again, how about a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating newlywed together with their parents.
You saw the best that wasn't me, but I couldn't reach. You gave me faith, 'cause you believe. I'm everything I am because of you.